can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables like grass? Discuss. क्या हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ रॉ कच्चे मटेरियल के ऊपर सरवाइव कर सकते हैं? डिस्कस कीजिए. नो, हम सिर्फ रॉ मटेरियल पे तो सरवाइव नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन नॉट survive only on raw leafy vegetables because they mainly consist of cellulose which cannot be digested by us due to lack of cellulose digesting enzyme in our body. नहीं, we cannot survive only on raw. हम सिर्फ raw में survive नहीं कर सकते leafy vegetables because they mainly consist of cellulose which cannot be digested. इसके अंदर जो स्पेशल होता है वो cellulose है जो digest नहीं हो पाता due to lack of cellulose enzyme in our body. That's it.